Alrighty, welcome back, folks. Alright, so it's been 4 hours, and as you can see, there have been some changes. I have gone ahead and bought another 5 units. It was pretty much on the 2000, and I just bought it. Bought 5 more units. So that makes, alright, so we got two orders of 5 units each. So now when the second unit, actually before I continue, don't forget, this isn't financial advice. This is you just seeing my process on how I trade. This is not advice. You need to work it out yourself. This is just my journey on basically trying to turn 3,000 into 100k. Is very doable. Done it twice already, so I thought this time around I'll record it and just share it. Again, not telling you how to trade or anything. This is simply me trading. Alright, so let's have a look. Yeah, so I reached my target of, what was it, $2,000 profit on that first, order. So I've gone ahead and bought a second one for 5 units again, as I said I would, and now I'm gonna wait for that to go up to 2,000, and then I'll buy some more units. The plan is to buy another 10 for the third one. Silver was still only on 1 order, so that's still got a long way to go. Once that reaches 1,000, I will buy another 50 units of silver. That is how I accumulated what was it? 100k in 2 months, which is what I'm trying to replicate now again. So fingers crossed. We all know how this can go. Especially when America's involved. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do a little fishing. Let's see what I can catch. Not bad, not bad. I like it. Alright, pictures updated. Okay, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Anyway. Alright. Now, if you have joined me, or if you're joining me later on. Do enjoy the stream. Pardon me. Do interact, have a chat. Ask me questions if you like. Just remember, I'm not here to give advice. This is just more for educational purposes. So let's have a look at gold. So as you can see, gold did well today. It actually went past the 5,000 mark. Where is it? Back here. So 5,000 was here and it just kept going, which is amazing. Now I am just going to draw a quick line here. Go. Alright, so that's the 5,000 mark, around about there. And that's what we want to stay above. So as long as this, even if it does a pullback, which probably will, I think as long as we stay above that, I don't think it's going to drop more than that. I don't know. Let me know what you think if you're watching or watching this later. Yeah, at least leave a message in the chat. At the moment, I think it is geared to just do a pullback, but I don't think it's going to be anything major. People are just cashing in their profits, hopefully. Just have a look at. Just having a looking. I can't even talk. Sorry, folks. Just having a quick look, see what other people are saying. Yeah, not all good. Yeah, as I said, if it pulls back, I don't think it's going to pull back that much, and at the end of the day, it's just going to go back up. If you look at the 2-hour mark, as you can see, it sort of was stale and then went up, and now it's looking to be a bit stale again, and I think it's still got a strong indication of going up, continuing going up. At the moment it's just doing a bit of a pullback, but nothing to worry about. What about this one? I don't know why that's there. Pull back there. 2 hours. What do we got? 2-hour window here. Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. I mean, long term 4-hour candlestick is still looking pretty good. It's like I found that sort of, there's the bottom going up and then another short bottom there. Yeah, it did go very stale. But that's alright. Let's go to 5-minute chart just to freak you out a bit watching it go down. Nothing to be worried about though. That's my opinion. There could be something to worry about. So yeah, it's just a pullback because obviously a lot of people started buying up. So it's natural for it to push back. That's what she said. So bad. So bad. What is that? Jump. Let's see if that works. I don't think I fixed that yet. No. Trying to work out the commands for the YouTube there. What if we did it in here? Ah, there we go. So hang on a minute. How come? Oh, so this is only Twitch as well. Oh, I missed it. Too late. Oh no, I missed it. Oh, I got it. Nice. Oh, sick. See, I don't get that. See, in Twitch, it's working fine. You hit jump and it jumps, but in YouTube, it doesn't. Why is it doing that? I'll have to work that out. Oh, at least I know both mini games are working in Twitch, so make sure you're watching the Twitch stream if you want to do some fishing or whatever the other one is. Alright, so what do I think now? Okay, so in half an hour the German market is going to open up. Now, that could see a pullback is happening there as well. Or, well, yeah, it's probably likely. I think people will be, anyone that sort of bought yesterday will be probably trying to sell now to get some of their profits in. But then they'll be rebuying. So, yes, I think it's going to probably pull back a bit more, especially because UK is just around the corner as well. Both of those are going to affect it, I think. I think definitely a pullback, but mostly, I mean, overall, banking on it to go back up. Of course, that's just, me. And I don't know shit, so again, not here to give financial advice. You're gonna work it out yourself. I'm just documenting my journey, and hopefully an awesome journey. 200,000. That would be nice. I hate listening to my voice online. It just sounds weird in general. I don't like my voice. What's this? Okay. Ugh. See, as soon as I sit down, I was fine for the last 4 hours. As soon as I sit down, I start yawning. Guess my body's feeling it. All the late nights I've been doing, watching this. Open file. Can I? Oh yeah, rectangle, and oh, what is that? It's terrible. Hang on. How do you do? Oh, here we go. Shapes. Can I do text? Here we go. Oh, that's. I don't want to scan. I just want text. What if I do this? Oh, it's a bit big. Can I write in there? Fill, outline, no. Cancel. This tool doesn't really give you much options. Wow, that's terrible. Why can't I? Oh, hang on. I know. I know what to do now. We'll put that there, then we'll edit in Paint. And then Paint, I should have text. Here we go, text. And we'll type in this week. No. Last week. No. This week. Alright, this week. That's it. And then remove it. No, don't do that. Stop it. And then we fill. Perfect. And then we save it. Oh shit. Did I? Oopsie. What did I do? Hang on. Hopefully it saved it as a new file and not. Oh no, that didn't do shit. Okay. Save as JPEG. I'll pick. Do I want JPEG? Yeah, that'll do. Where is Now let's just do PNG, and we'll do this week. Fourth, two, so second of the 2nd of 26. Oh, far out. Stop it. Try again. This week, 2nd of the 2nd, 26. Let's see if that worked. Okay. I think that worked. Let's go. Pardon me. Let's go to totals, and we're going to change that. Hopefully that looks okay. All right, there you go. We'll have that in that top corner there. Hopefully you can see that properly. Yeah, looks all right. Okay, and then yeah, as I said, come Monday I'll look at the cash and profit again, and we'll do a comparison on the Monday. So as it stands at the moment, we are looking at, where are we? Now, obviously I bought 5 new units, which brings my margin back down to like $100. So can't really buy anything else at the moment until some of this goes up. Still waiting. That 4.5 position I will be selling, maybe today. We'll see how we go. At the moment it's still looking down, like a pullback, but nothing major. Yeah, if it does drop, I don't know. I don't think it'll go back down below 5. I'd be very surprised if it did. But yeah, you never know. You never know. Once I sell that 4.5 position, that will give me some margin back. So once that silver pumps up to 1,000, we'll be able to buy that. You know what? I think, depending what I guess Germany and UK do next, Might even reach that $1,000 profit target for silver tonight or early morning tomorrow when the US wakes up. Either that or they screw us all over again and wipe us out. Now, the other thing is, now that I've got a second position in there, I'm going to put a stop loss in. Now, at this stage, how much? $100 points. I reckon 100 points. I don't know. I don't really want to sell it. It's my base position. Oh, God damn it. Alright, you know what? I'm going to put a stop loss on it. I don't really want to, but just in case the market does shit itself again when America wakes up, because that's what they do. They shit over everything. Okay, there you go, silver. Back up. Over the line. Off you go. Really wish I had some more cash. I would have bought copper and platinum. I don't know about platinum actually. Probably copper rather than platinum. Been caught out on that one a couple of times. Oh, come on. Don't fall asleep. Go on, someone talk to me. Someone jump on and talk to me. I thought I slept enough already. I guess not. I think Valentine's Day is coming up. Good old Valentine's Day. I remember those. It's such a waste of money. Good business idea, whoever came up with it. Messages. Service appointments. Looks like I got some jobs for tomorrow, I'm guessing. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Joker Paints. No way. Welcome. I was wondering where you've been. I haven't seen you in a while. Well, talked to you in a while, not seen you. Yeah, I've been doing, as you can see, I've been doing some streaming on trading. Basically, I'm just documenting my little trading journey. As I've been saying on here, well, first of all, Joker, I don't give any financial advice. This isn't what this is. Everyone has to come to their own conclusions and what they want to do. This is just me. This is more for educational purposes, I guess. I'm just showcasing my journey on basically trying to make 100k with only $3,000 in the span of 2 months. It's crazy talk, you say. I can hear you. But I've done it twice before already. Once I did it with 10,000, second time with 5,000. This time around I'm starting off with 3,000, and the goal is by end of March, so 2 months, the goal is 100k. In fact, I'm aiming above 100k, but we'll see how we go. So yeah, I'll just be documenting pretty much my journey. So I'll probably be on here most days. Oh yeah. Well, when life gets busy, you got to do what you got to do your thing. If you feel like fishing, just cast a line, see what you can catch. I've been at it all day, today and yesterday. Let's see what I got this time. What do we got? Oh, loggerhead turtle. How much? 120. Not bad. 12 a.m. call out. Wow, that is crazy. You got some keys. Are those your keys? Did you lose the keys to your car? Oh wow. Yeah, you'll come across some junk in there. I think I picked up a bike, and what else? Oh, an old computer. I fished out of there. It was great. I think I've got a time limit on that. I think every couple of minutes you can cast a line. That way I don't get overly spammed. Not that I have a million people watching, but you never know. One day. Yeah, so look at that. Look at silver. Jeez, I've got to zoom out of there now. Silver's just, hang on, what time is it? Oh, it's only another 8 minutes till the German market opens up, and it's already rising. Why are people buying silver all of a sudden? Let's, I wonder if something's going on. I should probably have a look on YouTube, see what I can find. But that is good because I need silver to go up. So I've got one silver position of 50 units. Once I've got $1,000 profit in that, I will buy another 50 units and build on that. A road train aquaplane. Locked a lane. Oh, okay. Where was that? Let's change that to extreme. Alright, so that's pushed. Where's the gold? So gold, yeah, it's pushing back up. What have we got? 5 minutes, 6 minutes before the German markets open up. Oh, that's right, I was checking tomorrow's jobs. Okay. Alright, I've got 1, 2 jobs to do tomorrow. Oh, that's easy. And what about this one? Oh, it's easy too. Other side of town. Ugh. I'll go do that one first, I guess. Yeah, I've just been trading. Well, this. Sorry, let me just send this message. All right. Yeah. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah. So I've basically, since Friday, basically, I have been sitting in front of this computer, literally every day, and going to bed really late, and getting up early, and jumping back on here. Because I'm giving as much of my time I can doing this, because otherwise, yeah, if you're not watching this, things can go sideways pretty quick. Plus, work's a bit slow anyway. I've only got a couple of jobs every few days. A couple of jobs every day. So why not make some money sitting on my ass? Alright, sorry about that. So yeah, so where was I looking at? So you on call right now, or you're able to relax now at home, Mr. Joker? Oh, 24/7, really? Nope, that's not how you spell that. That's better. Well, I guess hopefully it's good money that they pay you, especially if you're having to get up super late. All right, less than 2 minutes. The German. All right. I am going to sell one of my positions right now, 4.5. We are going to close that. Hang on a sec. Hang on. Actually, all right. All right, just put a stop loss in. I'm going to sell that 4.5 position. Can't even talk. Get paid a massive amount of. Jesus, really? Oh my God. Oh, I could only do that for a certain amount of time. New. Just gonna quickly copy that. Discord, where are you? There you are. Five. All right, so yeah, I've put a sell position, a stop loss position on that 4.5 units of gold at 100. 110. Hang on, what's going on? Shouldn't that have triggered already? Nine. There you go. And it's gone. Okay, perfect. Um, hey, Flying Spud. Well, I haven't talked to you in quite the while. Look at you. Yes, Gorilla Dogs. Oh, you know what? Keen to start that one up here. It would do really well. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so we've sold one position for, where are we? History. Here we go. So, oh, came down. There we go. 999.63. There we go. Alright, that's not bad. That puts my, oh yes, puts my margin back up to nearly 2,000. Perfect. Alright, if you are watching, don't forget this is not financial advice. This is just what this is my journey to in my my trading journey to 100k. Basically, turning $3,000 into $100,000 in 2 months is my goal. So do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll get notification of when I am streaming, which is going to be, I think, pretty much twice a day at this point. But yes, this will be the third time around. First time I think the first time was 10,000 Ks. I turned that into 100,000. Then I turned 5,000 into 100,000, and then now I'm trying to turn 3,000 into 100,000. Yeah, that's the goal. That is the goal. So, yep. Join me on my crazy journey. If you are watching through Twitch, you can also do some fishing and catch a bike. Nice. Well, didn't you get keys last time or something, and now it's a bike? You know, you're supposed to be fishing for fish, right? Not junk. Oh, too funny. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a fish. Let's see. Oh, you got something. What is it? What is it? And oh, nice. Black red eye. Worth 30. Not bad. Not bad. 1 star. There you go. 30 gold. Look at that. You'll be able to fish every couple of minutes, I think it is. Alright, so let's look at the stocks again. Now, German market's obviously opened. As you can see, there's a slight pullback there, but nothing major. Give me a second, folks. I'll be back in 1 second. I just need to go check something. Don't go anywhere. Okay, folks, I'm back. Let's go drink some water. Yeah, you'll catch everything but fish. Yeah, yep. Alright, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you get to see when I'm streaming. You'll get those notifications. Now, if you have just joined, actually, you know what? Where is it? Let me just quickly, I'm going to send something through. Oops, wrong button. Where is it? Open that up. There we go. And copy that. And then we will paste that in there. And off we go. All right. There you go. General information only. This is not financial advice. Now, alright, so if you've just joined me, basically I am just obviously trading gold and silver at the moment. What I'm trying to achieve is 100k, and I'm trying to achieve that with only 3,000 in my trading account. Very doable. If you don't believe me, I've done it twice already. And this time around, third time, I'm actually going to obviously record it every day. Let me just close that door. Noise coming through the side door there. All right. Okay. Yeah, so this time around I'm recording everything and just showing everyone what I did to achieve 100k. Simple as that. Again, not financial advice at all. So you got to do your own research and your own risks. Okay, so I've just sold a position just before. I sold 4.5 units of gold, which gave me $999. I got 2 gold positions. The next gold position I'm going to be buying will be not for a while. So this second position here, that's what is it, minus $54 at the moment. Once that reaches 2,000 in the green, I will buy a third position, and I'll buy 10 units instead of 5. So that's how I sort of work it. I just build it up unit after unit. In the first sort of 6 trades that I do in total, I don't sell anything, I hold on to it. But then once we start accumulating more trades and these earlier ones start showing some decent profit, like 20,000, 30,000, that's when I sell those ones to just keep me going, basically. Silver, we're looking at silver. Again, I've only got 1 position in that. Once that reaches 1,000, I'm going to buy another 50, and then once that one reaches 1,000, I'll buy another 100. So I'm going to increase the units and just keep building up like that. Let me turn that fan on. It's a bit hot in here. Okay, now so hang on, the German market's open. I think we've got another 45 minutes. Let me just double check, but the UK market is going to open up next. Let's see. Let's double check the timing. At 6 o'clock. So yeah, 45 minutes. London will open. Now, hopefully, it continues the way it has been since last night, and that is on an uptrend. As most of you know, Friday was just the worst day you could ever have, or I could ever have. Easy come, easy go is the saying. But on the bright side, technically, it wasn't my money I lost. It was money I never had to begin with. We're seeing a little bit of pullback. Now, keep in mind, we just look at the 5-minute chart here. Where's my mouse? Looking at 5-minute charts, just because it's just more entertaining staring at that than staring at a 4-hour chart and it not moving. Let's have a look at the 1-hour chart, see what it's doing. So, hourly chart, it's sort of bouncing along. It's dipped a bit, but that's okay, that's normal. Just a small pullback. 2-hour chart, yeah, it's just a small pullback, I'm not worried about that. The one I like looking at is the 4-hour chart. So as you can see, the last 4 hours was quite good, and now we're in the next 4-hour cycle, slightly in the red there, but that's, again, I'm not worried, because as you can see here and here, it's still going strong. So the RSI is still in a good spot. Let's go back to 5 minutes, because it's fun to watch. I don't like using one minute, because it's just up and down, gives you a headache. Oh, look, there's a star. Who can catch the star? All you got to do is type exclamation mark jump. See if you can catch it before I catch it. Where am I? There I am. Here we go. Can I get it? Oh, yeah. You see that? Too slow. Alrighty. Markets. Let's go back to this. Okay. Now we've got another 40 minutes or so till the real action happens. And then the next one is at 11, I think, when the US wakes up. How much we got here? 1 hour. So I'll be streaming for another hour, and then I'm going to probably take a little break, and then I will be streaming again later tonight. Possibly, actually, I might be streaming again, but playing a game, because I am a gamer, so gotta do the gaming. Where am I? Here we go. Alright. What was I looking for? Oh, messages. I might be... Here we go. Let's check my messages. I might be gaming tonight. It just depends if Red Belly's available. Let's head back to this. Alright, how are we going there? Is that still looking like a downward? How much have I got? 5? Oh yeah, I got enough for 5 units. Can I get 5 units? Let me see, how much is 5 units? 5 units, 1800. Yeah. Gold, you can tell. Just looking at some messages, seeing if there's anything. Exactly for prepare put a 10 lot on buy at 4. Yeah, nothing coming out news wise, so it's all good. Ooh, what are you getting? What are you getting? Is it a shoe? Oh, damn, look at that. Got yourself a jellyfish. Hang on, is that a plushie? So it's not actually even a jellyfish, it's a soft toy. So technically, you are still not getting any sea life. It did say plushie. Yeah. Let's see if I can let's see if I can get a fish. Oh, perch. 27 gold. Yeah, it'll do. It's a fish, so doing better than you. 84, what's that? 84, 6, no, 5. So 5, so if we add another 5. 95. I think, no, it'd be 100. No, hang on, it'd be 95. 95. No, that can't be right. No, it'd be probably 98. So I think once silver hits 98, I think, yeah, about 98, I think, is when I'll be buying the next silver. Oh, look at that. People saying that was the German market that just opened. So it looks like people are jumping in and buying gold and silver. Nice. That is actually pretty good. Well, I don't know how good that is because I don't know if it's going to make a difference once the UK and the US open, so whether that's going to affect it in a negative way, where they'll see all their profits go, you know what, I'm selling, and then it tanks the bloody gold and silver. Well, not tanks it, but pulls it back a lot. Too much. We don't want that to happen. But I think from here, so for gold, what do we see on? 5,080. I reckon, sure, yeah, definitely 5,100 we're going to hit. I'm sure of it. Sure as I can be. And then with silver, I reckon 95 for silver. 95 for silver, 5,100 for gold. Yeah, you can, surely. I believe in you. I believe in you, gold. Jeez, look at silver go. There you go, silver. Where's 95? 92. Shit, 95 is pretty far up. Now, when I say it goes to 95, I don't mean today, but I mean at this rate, it's looking like it could. It's just pushed up my silver to 400 profit. It's nearly halfway. You know what? I reckon 95 will give me that $1,000 profit and I can buy in. That would be nice if I can do that today. So it's only been, let's say Wednesday, 3 days. And as you can see on top left hand corner of the screen, let me just turn my light on so I don't look like a bloody terrorist hiding in the dark. There we go. So as you can see in the top left hand corner, we started off this week, we started off with, what was it, 2,903, and we're already sitting at 1278 profit or something. Oh my god, you serious? You got a tire. I'm so glad I'm recording this. This is great. Oh, that is great. You've caught no fish at all. Oh my god, you're just pulling junk out of the lake, which I am grateful for, and the environment thanks you. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to chuck my reel in. Let's see what I can pull out. Yeah! A streaked spine foot fish. 34 gold. See? That's how it's done. Got to learn from the best. I'm hoping, I think Red Belly, I think he's got something on, some sort of sport thing. But I think he may be coming in later on, or jumping on, I should say. Where's my messages? I think that's if he's not too tired. If he's tired, I think he's just going to sleep or whatever. If he's not too tired, he's going to jump on, which means we'll probably have a game or something. Actually, I think he received something, early access or something to a game to try out. So we will probably be reviewing a game. Okay, alright, so that's gone up nicely. All right. Sorry about that. I just had to send a couple of messages. All right. There's a bit of pullback from gold, so it looks like a few people are cashing in. Mind you, it's not too bad. Normal. It's all normal. No need to panic. What do we got? Let's have a look. Yeah, so as I said, 5,100 is what I think gold is going to hit next. I'm hoping the downtrend has, well, it looks like it may have finished. It's been on an uptrend for quite a while now, since the 2nd of February, so that was 2 days ago. It hit the bottom and started bouncing back, so fingers crossed. Look at that fall. Right there, see this? Hang on, where is it? I'm not even that. This right here, hang on, let me zoom in on that. This right here, just this line from there, we zoom in on that a bit more, there to there, right, there to there, I lost 100k just from that point to that point. It was insane. And then look, dived even more. But now we are back on an up, a very slow up, and hopefully it'll just stay like that and keep going up. Make the 100k back. It's gonna, and as I said, probably 2 months, and it'll it'll take about 2 months, I reckon. Yeah, 5,100 is a good spot for it to finish up, I reckon. 20 minutes left till the market opens again. I mean, not opens again. The UK market opens. Where's my... Okay. Yes, I've got enough margin to buy in again at some point. Because I sold that position, I do lose a bit of margin. Had I stayed in, I would have had enough to buy 2 more positions. But yeah, that trade is the one I need to sell. So I will be making trades, single trades of basically just buying at some point and selling it, just to keep that cash flow slowly going up. Now I've got Bitcoin chart over here. right here, doing the wiggly worm. As you can see, and as I predicted earlier on back in January, that Bitcoin was not going to go up any further. In fact, I did say that if it wasn't, hang on, change that to the 4 hours. And no, which one was it? Hang on. Ah, there it is, all the way back here. Oh, geez, that was a while ago. So changing it to the 4 hour. Here you can see the triple top. So it bounced off so that's the resistance up here. Bounced a second time, and I called it when it was going up here. I said, if it bounces off again, it's gonna drop. And it did. And then it kept dropping. There it is, going sideways, and then it dropped some more. Then you got sideways and dropped some more. It just kept dropping. Look at that. Where are we now? Jesus, all the way down there. A lot of that, at least in the later part of that big dip, is because of gold and silver, because people started pulling their money out of Bitcoin and either buying physical gold or putting it into the gold and gold and silver market. So yeah, the Bitcoin went from, what was it, 120,000 all the way down to 76. Hey, what do you got there? You got a manta ray. Whoa, $429 of gold. That's impressive. You finally, well, it is a form of fish, I guess. Yeah, you ruined your streak there. It's all over. But yeah, so Bitcoin, which I don't really trade in anymore, but it has dropped by like $50,000, which is crazy. And while it's not going to go up anytime soon, I think it's still going to bounce along the bottom there. And in fact, if gold and silver keep going up, which they will, I guarantee you, we're looking at 7,000, 8,000 gold. That's if Trump doesn't decide to re-evaluate gold to straight to 10,000, which that's, I think, something that he was talking about, or someone was. So at some point in the next 5, maybe even 10 years, to be honest, I don't know. And I'm going to say in the next 10 years, Bitcoin will go back up. So buying in low now, or not now, but soonish, or even just having one position in that, when it does go up, I mean, if it goes up back up to 120 or more, geez, you're laughing all the way to the bank. Let's see. Where's the copy? No, don't do that. Delete all that. Whoopsie. What's that? At Safar Sang. Jesus. There he is. Someone, I'm looking at a feed on YouTube. Someone just said, "Oh, I've lost a lot of money," and I replied with, "Unless it's more than 100k, no, you haven't." Let's do some fishing. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. What did I get? Barracuda, nice. Okay, let's have a look. Refresh. Where are we? Yeah, we're all in the green. Nothing to write home about though. Yeah, there could be a dip down to. Oh, the UK is about to open, so there could be a dip. There could be a dip down to. Oh, where are we? We're on 5,088 at the moment. Hey, you got another fish. Nice. Good job. See, you're doing it right now. You've learned how to fish. You're using the right bait. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'll see if I can... don't forget to type jump to catch that star. Come on, come on, come on. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah, beat you to it. Alright, so yeah, I'm a little bit worried about the UK opening in 10 minutes. But at the same time, not that worried because look, it's going to go back up. Even if it drops down now, people taking profits. Those same people are going to buy back in. So I think we should be okay. I've got enough margin to make sure my positions do not close out, because that would not be good. Let me have a look. Just going to check something here. Maybe I should set up a backup just in case. Nah, it's going to be fine. Recipients. Hey, Flying Spud. Let's see what you can get. You missed out on all the a tire. I think it was a tire and oh, red discus. What's that? 99 gold. Nice. Good job. I was just talking about Bitcoin, actually. I don't know if you have bought any Bitcoin lately, but I was just saying how back in, when was it, January? Hang on, where is that? There it is. No, not January, hang on. That's July. January, no, October last year, that's right. Not January. So October last year I called it with Bitcoin. See how there's 1, 2 and 3 triple top. Basically it bounced off the resistance, and I called it. I said, like, once it was going up for the third time, I said it's not going to punch through. It's lost its momentum, and it's going to crash. And what do you know? It did. Badly. Now half of that is due to the SPX500, which is this chart here. The other half is basically, as you can see, it went down even further because people were basically pulling out of Bitcoin and moving their money elsewhere. For instance, into gold, physical gold and silver, and I'm assuming other markets as well, stock markets. Basically, people moving their money into gold. Hence why what did you get? Junk. That's better. That's more your style, right? Keep it up. Keep getting that junk out of the lake. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So basically, Bitcoin. People moving into gold and silver, hence why it dropped like 50,000. At some point in the next 10 years, obviously Bitcoin, yeah, that's right. Yeah, copper as well. I've got copper over here that I'm just watching. At the moment, I'm only going to trade in gold and silver just because I have no capital. Got no margin to play with, so I don't want to overextend and then everything just gets closed out on me. Later on, once we've got about 50k, is probably when I will start throwing some money at copper, and probably maybe even platinum, or can't even say the word, but copper's a better option. I think platinum can be a bit funny. But yes, copper, yeah, definitely copper is a good one to watch. Let's see, what else have I got here? As you can see, I've got XRP here. It's more, I'm just sort of watching it, to be honest. I used to trade in XRP, and XRP is quite good, but I'm just waiting. At the moment, any crypto, if you're dealing in any crypto, just stop. Just stop. Don't buy crypto. Not right now at all. Just forget about crypto for now, because you're going to lose money. I guarantee you. the moment, best market to be in is the gold and silver. Definitely not any sort of cryptocurrency. Yeah, not yet anyway. It will turn around. It's just going to be, it'll be a couple of years. Probably more, who knows. It just depends on which way the world is heading as well. There's all sorts of speculation, but I don't buy into all that crap. I do my own research, and most of the time I'm pretty spot on. Hence why I was able to make 100k not once but twice. And now I'm going to do a third time with where you can actually watch. And don't forget, if you trade in the stock market at all, I'm not here to give you advice. You do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, what I'm buying, when I'm selling. That's all I am doing here. No advice, financial advice whatsoever. I don't want to get sued. All right. I think it's where's the the UK market is going to open in a couple of minutes. Oh, this is kind of nerve-wracking. We could possibly see quite a dip come through. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Uncommon scraper mouth. What? I don't even know what that word is. 33 gold. Has anyone caught anything really good yet? Let's have a look. What have we got there? Coming in second. There we go. There's the top catches. A whole PC. Love that one. Who's at the bottom? Who's got the bottom? Who's got the worst catch of them all? It's got to be you, Joker, right? It's got to be the Joker. Oh, what? Me? I got the worst catch? That's not right. Damn. Why is my Stream Elements and Nightbot in that top 5 currency? What the hell? That's hilarious. Oh, what's that one? Streaked Spine Foot. Well done, Flying Spud. Oh, Joker Paints, here we go. Go grab that junk out of the lake. Maybe you can get an epic junk. Shellfish. 43 gold. Not bad, not bad. It's not bad. Okay, market's about to open. Let's see. Are we going to see red crashing down with the UK opening? Oh, only moments away. Pull back. Here we go, here we go. I think the market's open. Everyone's waking up, sleepyheads on their computers and phones and whatever. Let's see which way it goes. I reckon they're going to go Yippee, I made some money, and sell, sell, sell. Here we go, London. How are you going to respond to the market? What is that? On, huh? Hang on a second. Where's my mouse? What the hell is going on there? My raid boss is starting. Use your extension panel to fight back. Extension panel? What the hell? I don't even know what to do there. I haven't even looked at the controls for that. I haven't seen that before. That's the first time I've seen that come up. Okay. Attack requires a valid target. Valid target. Let's see if I can work it out. Attack. Do you have to put what was the thing called? Attack marble? Nope, that didn't work. Or did it? Oh, that was, hang on. No. Oh, what's the controls? Hang on. Shit. See, I didn't even... That's me throwing bombs, by the way. I just blew everyone up. Oh, shit. Alright. I'll have to work out what my controls are. I didn't even look at that. Oh. My bad. I'll have to set that up properly. And, right.
To set up your device, go to the device setup section of the Alexa app.
What the hell? Alexa, shut up. How the hell did you even turn on? I didn't even say anything. Oh, Alexa's listening to me, everyone. God damn it. How dare they? Rabbit fish. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what I can get. So there's that pullback, I think, from the UK. See, it's starting to go red. Nice. Sea urchin, 20 gold. Yeah, that'll do it. Interesting. I don't think the UK's... Oh, here we go. There we go. Bit of... Overall, it's still it's on its way up. I know that for sure. Could drop to 58, possibly. I'm being told, but we'll see. We'll see. So, hang on. I reckon it's going to go up. I reckon it's going to... Where are we at? 5,000. What? I'm confused. What's going on there? 20. Oh, I dropped down to. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so it looks like there's some people selling their positions, I'd say. I still think it's going to go back up. It's going to stay, even if it goes down a little bit past 5,000, it's still going to come back up to sort of around 5,000 anyway. I don't see it collapsing. It's the US I'm worried about. UK, I think we're still okay. I think a lot of traders are probably realizing that the downtrend has eased up a bit, and possibly they're buying buy positions. Alright, where are we at? Okay, probably another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to stop the stream, but I will be back in a couple of hours. I just want to have a quick break before the US market opens and gives me a heart attack. Let's have a look. So it's it's not opening till 11, but I will be back in I'll probably have a break for an hour, and then I'll be back in an hour. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see when I'm so you get notified when I'm streaming again. But I'll be back, and what I'll do, I'll probably, just to change it up a bit, I might stream a game. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll have a game of something. I'll stream it for a couple of hours. So what's that? 7. So if I'm back at 7, 8, 9. So 7 to 9. Stream a game, and then again I'll stop, have a break for an hour, and then I will jump on and stream again from 10 p.m. till probably midnight, because that's when the US opens up at about 11. So I want to be sure I am there watching, making sure they don't execute me again like they did on Friday. That was horrendous. A sad day. Alright, what have we got? 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes, and then we'll shut it off, and I will be back in 1 hour. Let's do one more round of fishing, and then I'll be shutting down for an hour. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got there? What do we got? Pike. Ugh, okay. 8 gold. Ah, that's terrible. Alright, here we go. Here we go. What do you got? What do you got? A tire. A bike. No, you got a cod. Okay. There you go. Come on, car. You know what? That would be funny. If there's a car in that lake, that would be hilarious. That would be awesome. Flying spud. You got to cast one more fishing reel out and see what you can catch. If you're still sitting there. A couple of more minutes and I'm going to shut the stream down, but I will be back in exactly 1 hour. Actually, it's already 10 past, isn't it? Yeah, exactly 1 hour. I'm going to go eat some dinner, actually. Yeah. Gee, I just realized I need to eat dinner. Oh, man. Alright, so let's get ready to shut this thing down. Alright, folks, don't forget that where are we? Hang on a sec. Restream. Oh yeah. Oh, you're going dinner as well. That's a good idea. I'm starving. Alright, so I'm going to send one more message through, just reminding everyone there is no financial, what am I trying to say? I am not giving out financial advice. This is purely just to journal my trading to the 100k goal. So please do your own research. I will be back in 1 hour for another stream. I will be streaming a game because I need to relax a bit instead. So hope to see you on that stream. And I will see... let's see you at... What did I say? I'll see you... I'm just going to type that in there. So if anyone's watching this later, 1 hour. Okay, just in case someone watches the video while I'm having dinner, they can join me later. Alright, so I will see you in an hour for a game. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, all that stuff. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.